Welcome to the TaxMax first quarter program data entry video for December 2013. If you'd like more information, you can attend a free live webinar. These webinars are hosted every October through early January. You can email us, go to our website, taxmax.com, or give us a call and we can walk you through anything that you need. Now, recently the IRS has released a starting date of January 31st. Do not pay attention to this date. Last year they said January 30th, and they started accepting tax returns on January 22nd. We are anticipating that they'll start taking tax returns as early as January 20th this year. However, we will start sending files electronically on January 2nd. Do not let your customers procrastinate. As soon as they have those W-2s, even as soon as January 2nd, we can file it to the IRS. It'll sit in an electronic holding bin, and as soon as they turn that computer on, your customer will be in that first batch. So let's get to the website for the data entry. This is the main interface. Click here for a new return. Now I've used a Social Security number that's already in the system, so the information already pops up for us. This is the most labor-intensive page on our entire data entry system, and you can see how simple it is. Name, address, phone number, date of birth. Very basic information. The next page is the filing status. Again, very straightforward. Are they single? Are they married filing joint? Or are they head of household, which is a single parent? The one caveat here is if you have a customer that is married, but they live in separate households for the last 6 months of 2013, they can also qualify as head of household. If you choose the married filing separate option, it will most likely kill the refund. 98 to 99% of married filing separate returns result in a lower refund than any other filing status. So select your filing status and click Next. Next are the kids. This will start out as blank. There won't be anything here. And you click Add Dependent to get a child started. Again, the child's information is very basic. Social, name, date of birth, son, daughter, brother, sister, niece, nephew, and grandchild. Notice you don't see cousin here. You don't see the girlfriend's child that your customer is not the parent of. Biological relationships are the only things that we're looking for unless you have an adoption or a foster child or a step parent through a legal marriage. Click Save. If you have a fourth child in this case, you would click Add Dependent. Otherwise, click Next. Now this is our W-2 screen. Again, this will be blank. You click Add W-2 to get started. And this is what you'll be looking at. I'm going to scroll down just a bit here. This is the layout of our screen, and this that I'm popping up now is a sample W-2 form. You can see that these are laid out almost exactly the same, and that's by design to make it easy for you. The only thing that we're asking you to enter are the employer ID number, which is right down here, box number 1, and box number 2. All the other stuff on this form has little to any effect on the tax refund, so don't bother entering it. Again, employer ID, box 1, box 2, scroll down, click Save, and you're done. If there are multiple W-2s, you keep clicking on Add W-2 until you've entered everything. If you have a married filing joint couple, make sure you have both couples' income. Click Next. Since I chose a single parent, we have 2 mandated questions by the IRS. Very simple. Click Next. Additional income. 90+% of the tax returns we handle at TaxMax do not have any of this stuff in it. But if the customer brings it in, we can handle it. Self-employed at the bottom of the page. Unemployment income. Did they cash out a 401k? Interest and dividends, even more rare as we go down. Alimony, this is not child support. Alimony is very rare as well. Other income that you're not sure what else to do with. And Social Security income. Self-employed process is a different video, so go to YouTube and search for the self-employed training video. Click Next. Again, itemized deductions. 95+% of our customers do not use itemized deductions. But if they do bring in a mortgage interest statement, we've got a spot for it. Otherwise, if they rent, it's probably not a factor at all, so you scroll down and click Next. College expenses, you will see some of this from time to time. What we ask for is the 1098-T that the college will provide. We need how many years they've been in school. Are they in the first 4? Are they in year 5 and beyond? And the information off of the 1098-T in the boxes. Name of the school, address, zip code, click Next. Almost at the end here, we have a notes box. Our customer here is getting paid child support. I didn't see where that goes. Well, FYI, it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't affect the tax refund at all. But if you have a question like that, we can handle it. If you'd like us to file the state tax return, we can do that as well. There's DLR 20, which is a $20 off coupon. And the dealership incentive fee, which if you give us a call at TaxMax, we can explain to you. Click Next. The final screen here is how do you want the money to arrive? On-site check print is the cheapest, it is preferred, and it's also the fastest method. If the IRS releases the money Friday morning, you can print the check on-site Friday morning. Everything else can take 1 to 2 business days or more, depending on holidays. Our fee structure is laid out for you. Scroll down, click Next, and you're done with the data entry section. Now you click on this link for the information packet. This is the information that you need to fax over to us. Our fax number is here. If you would like to email it to us, you can do that as well. The customer needs to sign the paperwork below. You need to provide the W-2s, 1099s, any tax documents, Social Security cards, photo ID, and the IRS form, which is below, already filled out. Now this documentation below is proprietary, so I'm going to end the tutorial here. If you have any more questions, once again, email us, trs@taxrefundservices.com, go to our website, taxmax.com, or just simply give us a call. We can finish the tutorial for you over the phone, or you can attend a free live webinar, which we host every October through January almost daily.